so I just want to go back to them. Oh my god, there's lightning! Oh, my head's thunder! Holy crap. Woo! Imagine if our tree hut fell down. Did you see that lightning?
Yeah. We'll go more of that.
Oh. Oh my gosh, look at the TV. TV says no reception. Check your cable satellite dish. So yeah, that's a bit bugged. I'm just staying here because keeping out for thunder. Run! I mean lightning. Just like psh. I'm gonna catch you up on some more, but I really just want you to see this, but probably you're gonna see it in your own home. This is so... The street lights are on, it's only like 5. Bye.